Hi, hello guys. Today I'm going to make Ampalaya salad. This is very healthy and I really like it. I made one last night for dinner and then today I'm going to make another one. So our ingredients is this Ampalaya or I think it's called Bittermelon in English. One medium-sized red onion, 2 tomatoes, a salt, like I think this much salt, white vinegar, and then I have this vinegar also. We call it here in the Philippines is like a coconut vinegar, or we call it tuba in Visayas, and then this the tuba is um, being set aside for a few days and then you can use it. And then we have also MSG, Ajinomoto. Most people doesn't use it because they think it's harmful, but I think if you just use a little bit, it's safe. So it's up to you. You can only put salt in there, or if you have lemon, you can put some lemon. And then now all we have to do is cut this um, bitter melon into small pieces, including the onion and the tomato. So you can cut the ampalaya into half and then don't forget to take out the seeds. I usually just use a spoon to clean it like this one. You have to run through from here and go down there. It's very easy. And this is the result. Then when you're done slicing the ampalaya, like thinly sliced this one, you can wash it, then drain the water, and then sprinkle it with 1 tablespoon of salt and let it sit aside for 15 to 30 minutes. And after that one, you just take the excess water and then wash the ampalaya again and take out the excess water. And then when you cut your tomato, you can cut it in half and then slice it like this one, like the ampalaya, and as well as your red onion, just like slice it like this. By the way, don't forget to take out the tomato seeds because my father doesn't like it, so I took the tomato seeds and I think I like it better without the tomato seeds. And now here's the finished product. If you want, you can put more onions and more tomato, and don't forget to put 1/4 cup of vinegar. I just use 1/8 of white vinegar and 1/8 of red coconut vinegar, and then you can put 1/4 teaspoon of salt if you want, or if you don't want, you can just put vinegar and the MSG, just a little bit of MSG if you want. Okay, enjoy and have a nice day.